What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. You guys know what it is. It's Kevo. Okay, so I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of these videos on YouTube about how much did YouTube pay me for 1 million views, and I thought, you know what? Maybe it's about time I made a video like that. You know, just to flex on you guys. No, I'm just joking. Not to flex on anyone. But anyways, just to share with you guys, so you guys actually get kind of an idea how YouTube pays YouTubers to make videos. You know. Anyway, so I actually have two videos of mine that went to the millions, okay? The first one is TNT Boys Score, I'm Telling You. You guys remember that way back when they were on The World's Best? Yeah. Okay, so for that video got 1.6 million views, okay? Okay, 1.6 million views. Yeah, that's a lot of damn views, right? So this is what YouTube paid me for that, okay? In the last 28 days, I got YouTube $0, okay? That's in the last 28 days, so no one's looking at this video anymore. Now, when I switch it to lifetime, this is since the video went up, this is how much YouTube paid me, okay? Me personally. Since the video has been up with 1.6 million views, YouTube has paid me a whopping $384. And that is in total. That gotta get split in half again. Yeah, split in half again. Can you guys believe that? So when you do that, do the math. Let me see how much I got. 380. Let's see, 380. Pull up my calculator. Because YouTube takes about 40%, I believe, of your earnings divided by nice. So in total, for that 1.6 million views, I got a total of $192. Yeah, about that, or in the ballpark. So not that much, right? A lot of you guys probably like, what? How is that? That's impossible. Well, let me tell you guys what. One of the reasons is YouTube obviously pays more for people in America that are watching the videos, obviously, because you know the bidders, they can pay more. Majority of my views come from the Philippines. About 67% come from the Philippines. So that is the main reason why that I only got that much for a YouTube video. And the thing about it, I wouldn't trade that for anything, because the thing about it, what I love doing videos about the Philippines is the Filipino people, they encourage you so much and they make you want to put more videos out there. That's why I keep pushing videos out there. Okay, so that is what YouTube paid me, and I got 6.1% American views, so that's probably why it went up so much. So YouTube pays more for American views and pays way less for views from the Philippines or anywhere else in the world. Okay, so that was one video. Let's see. Another video of mine that made it to 1 million was the Philippine Special Forces hunt for ISIS. Okay, you guys remember that video? I did that video about 3 months ago. That got 1.1 million views, okay? The last 28 days, okay? In the last 28 days, YouTube paid me a whopping $0 in the last 28 days because no one is watching it, okay? Nobody's watching it anymore. Whatever. So now let's switch to lifetime since the video was posted. Since the video was posted, YouTube paid me a whopping, you guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Drum roll. $0. Wonder why? You guys probably like, what the hell? Really? $0. Because this video was actually copyrighted. So copyrighted meaning whoever the original maker, all the money goes towards them, which I have no problem because I actually enjoyed watching this. So there you go. You guys got an idea how much YouTube pays for 1 million views, because most of them are like I said, it's from the Philippines, and I wouldn't trade it for anything because I actually enjoy doing Filipino videos. But I just love the Philippines. I love the encouragement that I get from everyone, from all you guys. You guys are also caring, and you guys push me to do more, and that's what I like. For you guys out there who think us YouTubers get like this massive amount of money, I'm sorry, we don't, okay? At least the ones that do like travel vlogs and the ones that get most of the views from the Philippines, we don't get much money, okay? The YouTubers in the States, like who do videos about the States, they get paid a lot. Like American stuff, they get paid a lot. But like I said, I just do this because I actually enjoy the Filipino people, and I think you guys just got an amazing culture. That's why I keep doing videos about the Philippines, and I really like doing that, at least for me. So anyways, if you guys want to know what else I do a lot of photography. That's where mainly my money comes from. Like I do photography and I also have a full-time job, so just letting you guys know. Alright, so anyways, man, if you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, you guys know what to do, man. Give the video a thumbs up. If you guys absolutely love the video, man, hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bells on, and share the video with your friends, alright? Peace.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams